In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Play Store on your PC. Just you have to follow and watch this video till the end. First, open any browser that you are using. For me, I use Google Chrome and search for this. Download BlueStacks and click. So click on the first link that you will see and click download BlueStack. Right now, as you can see right now, it's downloading. When it's downloading, just click on it and install it. So after install it, for me guys, I already have it. So what you have to do, open it. So guys, when you will open it, it's going to open directly here. So you just have to wait. And right now what you should do, click on search for games and apps here and search for Play Store and click OK. And right now search for any games, for example, that you want and that is available on Google Play Store. Click here, search in Google Play, and right now here is the Play Store, guys. So I can install Instagram, everything. So I hope this video was useful, guys. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and